A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for door. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. Next letter J is for jelly. Next letter K is for cola. Next letter L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. Next letter O is for octopus. Next letter P is for pig. Next letter Q is for queen. Next letter R is for rainbow. S is for snake. T is for tree. Next letter U is for umbrella. Next letter V is for villain. W is for well.
X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone.
Y is for yacht. Last letter Z is for zebra. Thanks for helping me. Subscribe channel. Thank you.